Hello there. So, in this video, we'll be discussing our favorite topic, that is which language to choose whenever we are starting in our college journey or in our schooling. So, which language to choose, C++ versus Java, or which is better for placement, or what to choose. So, here I have made a comprehensive slide here taking the fact of both the programming languages, and we'll be discussing both the pros of both the languages here, and which will be helping you in order to choose a language. So coming on to Java. So first of all, we have to see that both the languages, that are C++ and Java, both are object oriented programming language. Java is also one and C++ is also one. So why can we choose Java? So first of all, can you use it in competitive programming? Obviously yes, we can use it. It can also be used for Java development, and it is also used for backend projects also. Now this might actually be a good lead for you to start with Java if you want to make a career in backend engineering as a Java developer. So these are some companies which actually use Java, and there are obviously more such companies which use Java as their backend. Some of the banking companies like Barclays and most such companies use backend as their Java. Now, is Java good for competitive programming? Definitely yes, you can use it. There are many programmers who use Java for competitive programming, and there are also many programmers who use C++ for the competitive programming. Now, which one to choose? This totally depends or is up to you. Now, we'll be moving on further and we'll be analyzing which one will be better for you if you're starting your coding journey. Now comes C++. C++ are the choice of many students who are entering their colleges. Now why? Because whenever you are entering your college journey, you'll see that there are many people's courses which are including C++ itself. Now colleges itself prescribe C++ for their first semester or second semester. Now, will C++ help you in placements, or will it make you lag behind Java if you take Java? So, yes, you can obviously take C++ and it will be good for your placements. No matter what you take, C++ or Java, every company which comes onto your college, or if you're sitting for off campus placements, they will have a language option for you, in which preferred language you want to code. So C++ also you can code it, and Java also you can code it. But some companies do have a preference, like some companies only allow Python and Java. There are some typical scenarios, but that is in very rare cases, like some 1 or 2% cases that actually does happen. Like one of the companies like Infosys, when it actually hires, so it only allows Java people to code. That is, the environment is only Java based, and that is an off campus opportunity that people use to take it. Okay, so these are very I would say very restricted ones. Otherwise almost all the companies actually allow you to code in both the languages, that is for sure. Now coming on to benefit of C++, that is standard template library. So you must have seen that for reversing just a array, you could be having a lot of code, that is you might use for loop, and we can definitely do it. But standard template library is a very good thing about C++, that is all the pre-written functions that are present there, which could help you to reduce the number of line of codes. That is, if you see, for reversing an array in one line you could do it, and there are many such beautiful things in the standard template library. So does Java does not have it, or is Java not better than it? No, in Java also it is present there, standard template library. So there is a collection framework in Java, and which is typically similar to what C++ has. But some of the things Java does not have, and some of the things C++ has better. That is the thing. And it totally depends on the preference on what you're choosing. So now coming on to how do you actually choose it. So we'll be basing this on 5 points. Now, most of you would be coming from your just class 11 and 12th, or you must be joining college. So in 11, 12, if you had a computer science background, you would have learned some of the languages like either C++ or Java. If you already know Java or if you already know C++, you could just continue with the same language. Either of them, if you already know, you could just continue and not bother about learning the other. That will also help you, but you could obviously take up the other one as well if you want to, for your own interest and benefits. Now, if you're just starting your college journey and you do not know anything about competitive programming or programming in general, so you'll be having in your first or second semester somewhere, you'll be having a course of language C or C++, any one of them. So that will be a good time to actually get your hands on with the language C or C++. So you might just go ahead with C++ and you could just try that language. Now, if you haven't tried Java, not to worry, you could just go on with C++ and you could do it. But let's just say if you want to learn both of the languages, that is C++ also, Java also, because you don't want to miss any opportunity, you're that kind of a student. So you could actually go by learning one of the languages at first and try to master it. That would be the better thing to do than just cramming up only half of the things of each of the language. So first of all, pick up one of the language, either C++ if you know it, well and good, or Java if you already know it, well and good, continue with it, and then you could switch to another language if you want to obviously learn. Otherwise, you could just master one of the language and it will be well and good for you. Now, some of the things that are, let's just say you already just learned C++ and throughout your college journey you are learning C++, and let's just say for some scenario you went on to a company where they're using Java. Now what will happen? You might be thinking it is something to worry about, but nevertheless you'll be actually trained on Java or all the tech stacks like Node.js, JavaScript, whatever you are going to work on the company. So there is nothing to worry about on which language to choose on. Okay, so it will be easier for you to either choose C++ or Java based on these points. And I hope you have already made your decision on what language to choose. So yeah, this is it for this one, and I hope you did enjoy this video, complete video, and please do like and subscribe. And yeah, thank you for watching.